If your Joy-Con isn't connecting to the Nintendo Switch, it's usually due to a misalignment or a temporary software bug. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly fix it at home and get your Joy-Con reconnected. So let's get started. Solution 1. Restart your Joy-Cons. First, you need to carefully slide the Joy-Con up by holding the detached button in the back of your Nintendo Switch. Remove both of your Joy-Cons this way. After that, press and hold the power button of your Nintendo Switch for 3 to 4 seconds. In the menu, choose Power Options. Select Restart. Let your Switch restart, and in the meanwhile, get your Joy-Cons at hand. So on the middle corner of your Joy-Cons, there is this sync button over here. If you press on it, it basically shuts down your Joy-Con. So shut down both of your Joy-Con by pressing the sync button. After that, when your Switch powers up, reattach the controllers again. Now see if they connect. Solution 2. Try wireless connection. After that, on the Nintendo home screen, go to Controllers, open Change Grip/Order. Now, press the L button and the R button of your controller, and consecutively press them 3 times to change the grip order. This also tests if the Joy-Cons, if it connects wirelessly. The issue is with the rail, not the Joy-Con itself. But there is a way to fix that. Power off your Switch completely. Then use a dry toothbrush or cotton swab to fix the metal rail on both of the Joy-Con and the console. Dirt or oxidation can block the electrical connection. Slide the powers back on and check if it connects. Whether it connects or not, go to your system settings from your Nintendo home screen. Then scroll down to Controllers and Sensors. On the right side, scroll down again and select Update Controllers. Make sure the affected Joy-Con is attached if possible. Let it update fully, then try reconnecting. Hopefully it's working by now. But if your Joy-Con still won't connect even after these steps, the issue might be a damaged rail or connector, and it may require professional repair or part replacement. If this tutorial helped, then give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more simple Nintendo Switch fixes and walkthroughs.